6 months ago, I was scanning packages at an Amazon warehouse making $17 an hour. Tonight, I'm sitting here with a real company that has a real community and is making real clips for real creators. And the thing that changed everything, a hackathon I almost didn't enter. I'm going to be honest with you about how that job was. I would wake up at 4 in the morning, go to warehouse and scan packages for 10 hours a day. And then I would go home and then I'd wake up and do the whole thing all over again. And the whole time, I'm seeing how AI is changing everything around me. I'm seeing founders at 18 vibe code apps that made millions of dollars. The thing that got me out of that warehouse was one conversation with my Uncle Jesse. One Christmas changed everything for me. I was spending time with my family and my Uncle Jesse, who built brands from nothing as a marketer using one simple formula, story structure. And as we were talking, he basically told me I was gonna build nothing sitting in a warehouse shipping boxes 10 hours a day, and that I should pivot to AI and learn these tools early so that I can get the most out of them when it starts to blow up. So from there, I quit Amazon. I joined as an intern for his company and started learning about AI, story structure, and how to build great brands. As I was learning all of this, being a media intern and creating short form content, shooting podcasts, and learning about AI, Web3, and crypto, I met some pretty cool people along the way. One of them was Nick. He initially built it to cut up recordings that he was teaching classes in. So as I started being an intern for this company, I could see the real potential of what he had built. I've been seeing things like clipping blowing up and people talking about short form content, and the YouTube CEO talking about how short form content on YouTube does better than the actual long form videos. And I thought to myself, there's gotta be a way we can turn this into a real company. So I went to Nick and I asked him, how can we turn this product that you've been building into something real? So once we chatted about it for a little bit, we then spent the next 3 months planning out every feature and building this thing out bit by bit. You see, it was still very rough, but we got to a point eventually where the product had a lot of potential and we need to figure out, what are we gonna do? Then one day I got a text from my uncle, and then again from his friend Felix, who I'd also worked with as an intern. And it was the Pumped Out Fun hackathon. And at first, I kind of just brushed it off because I didn't really understand what it could do for us. You see, Felix pulled me aside and said, hey, you've been building this out for quite a while. It doesn't hurt to jump into this hackathon and give it your best shot. So we did it. We entered the Pumped Out Fun hackathon at the very last second and launched our company, Clipit. Throughout this hackathon, we started shipping new features, we started building in public, I started streaming every day, showing people the product. We went from 5 users all the way up to 230 users, with real clippers making real clips for real creators with our platform. Here's the thing about the hackathon. It gives you real deadlines that you have to execute it on. Here's the other really cool thing about the hackathon. We grew a community of 47 core members that we stay in close contact to and constantly improve our product based around what they need. The hackathon has taught me one thing: just ship it. What I mean is, we now have an obligation to over 200 users to create new features, to improve the product, to add features that are necessary and crucial to what they need. And with that comes a lot of pressure, but also it keeps you accountable for building a great product that starts with the user. You see, I'm betting on myself. I have a company today, and 12 months ago, I was working at Amazon. So I'm not gonna stop building this product out until it is the best product on the internet. So it's still very early in our journey, but I'm telling you one thing, bet on us. Bet on us, because I worked at Amazon 12 months ago and I'm not going back. I have a company today and I'm gonna build this company to be the best possible product on the internet. I wanna ship the best features for the users, and I wanna start with the core user experience and make sure that Clipit is the core infrastructure for the creator economy and is the best tools that clippers can use to create short form content. So here's the thing. Clipit is the proof of my story. I started at Amazon 12 months ago, and now I have this company. And I'm not gonna stop until this company has the best product on the internet for brands, creators, and clippers. So follow along with us, because Clipit is only gonna get better. And I'm not stopping until my story ends with Clipit being the best possible product on the internet.